Now we're doing a little bit of extra tasks, right? So how about coming into a home? How do you enter a home?
Indoor-only shoes or only indoor-only shoes. So when you walk up to the front door, you kick off the exterior shoes, and in your tool bag, you have indoor-only shoes, and you slip them on. The booty things, I never like the wrap. You look silly with things wrapped around you, and it just doesn't work. It's not very safe, too. You can slip off a ladder. So wear indoor-only shoes. Sometimes they're slip-ons. You know, some guys, inspectors like to tie them off. So, and then I take a picture. So an inspector should take a picture of her feet just to prove that she was wearing indoor-only shoes. And then you leave a leave behind letter. And it's at that URL, match.org, leave-behind letter. And we have it here. If you wanted to buy them or print them off yourself, you can use the same language if you wanted to. And it says that you performed an inspection, you moved a lot of things, you turned a lot of things on, try to put everything back. And you may want to check a few things just to make sure that I turned them off, like the oven and thermostat, just where you want them. And I still remember the phone call. I got a complaint that I left the blind askew. I didn't even know what the word askew meant. I had to look it up. So some homeowners are very particular about their possessions and their condition of the home. So you want to make sure you tell them that you respected their home like it was your own. You even wore indoor-only shoes, and it says that on the leave behind letter. So it's a marketing tip.